up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit from the drama. Coming on message.
Website developers, this might scare you. By 2025 or max by 2026, 90% of website won't be designed by human. And this would probably not happen because humans got lazy. It would be because AI learned designing, copywriting, and code that entire thing at once. And you know what's the crazy part? It's already happening. अगर तुम्हें अभी ये लग रहा है ना कि क्लाइंट तुम्हारे हार्ड कोडेड वेबसाइट के लिए तुम्हें पे कर रहा है तो तुम ऑलरेडी बहुत पीछे हो चुके हो. एआई आज के डेट में वेबसाइट को कोड करके डिजाइन करके लॉन्च कर सकता है फास्टर देन मोस्ट फ्रीलांसर्स कैन रिप्लाई टू एन ईमेल. और ये कोई क्लिकबेट नहीं है. दिस इज द न्यू इंटरनेट इकोनॉमी. अभी से अगर 2-3 साल पहले की बात करें तो वेबसाइट डेवलपर्स जितने भी हैं, राइट, सब लोग इस चीज से रिलेट कर पाएंगे कि वेबसाइट डेवलप करने का मतलब ये होता था कि आप एक डिजाइन बनाओ, राइट, फिर आप उस पर वायर फ्रेम बनाओ, देन आप उस पर कोड करो, मल्टीपल रिविजन्स होते थे, राइट, और उसके ऊपर भी वेबसाइट्स के कोड जो थे वो फटते थे, राइट. बट आज की डेट में एआई के हेल्प से वी कैन डिजाइन अ वेबसाइट विच इज मच मोर फास्टर, विच इज मच मोर एक्यूरेट, और उसकी डिजाइन जो है उसका तो क्या ही कहना है. So the point is that entire this thing can be done with a single code, right? Which is the best part. ये time save कर रहा है and it also gives a crazy output.
Great. So let me show you an example of how you can use a single prompt and create an entire stunning and good website. So what we are doing over here, there are two platforms which is very popular. One is Bolt and one is Lovable, and we are using these two platforms to create the website. For creating these websites, we'll have to feed them a knowledge base, which will ultimately help it to create. Similar to that, we have a lot of templates which we have over here. Please feel free to play with them. Coming to the knowledge base that we have. So here is what we are feeding the AI. Build me an high-end, ultra-polished website for premium plumbing and lawn services brands that cater to upscale homeowners seeking quality, reliability, and white glove services. Okay, and then I have given it some goals and design styles and what all it has to include and not. Right. So this is an entire prompt which I have created. Now let me quickly copy this prompt and paste it on Lovable as well as on Bolt, and let me give them a quick go ahead. Okay, yep, everything is fine. Yeah, perfect. By the way, you can also attach if you have any files which you would like, let's say images or document or spreadsheets, right? So that also Lovable allows. You can also take a screenshot and then attach it to Lovable. You have option to connect Supabase, which is the database that it is using. Same goes with Bolt, where you can attach a file and then enhance a prompt, right? Okay, so it has also the option to enhance a prompt, where it is now enhancing my prompt which I've earlier given, and then I just hit that button over here on Lovable as well as on Bolt. So now what AI is doing is AI is going through this entire prompt that I've given, and it is going to its own knowledge base, and it is seeing that what things are working for it and what things are not working, and creating a stunning website. And boom. So if we see, the Lovable has already created the website. Let me just bring it to a full screen and let us see how good website it has created. So if we see over here, the home page looks good, decent enough. with all those golden lines which it has created. I'm actually loving that. It is also given a name and a logo which we can definitely change, but you can see all the images that it has picked up already, which resembles to the services that we are providing: luxury plumbing services, smart water system, emergency response. It has mentioned all the bits and pieces that is usually there in the services, and then it has also created um, a testimonial section, and then why choose us. It has also given that option. There is an option to book a consultation. Wow. So here you can just put, if I put my name, wow, so it is also taking the input, and then if I say abc at the rate gmail.com, phone number I put 6789123445. Okay. Oh wow. So here also, if you see, it has given all the services what we need, and then we can click a submit request, right? Okay, so this is like the pop-up how it will come. It has also given all the emails and everything. If we go to about us, wow, so about us page is also live. So excellent trust. I am liking actually the way it has created and the colors that it has used. So yellow denotes, I think, the luxury part, um, and the green denotes the sustainability part. So it has also taken care of that. Coming to services page, so services page also has the different parts, which is the plumbing part and the lawn services and the other parts which are there. We can also, that is a contact page, and this is some button which is not working. Okay, fine. So this is what output Lovable has created, which looks very sleek, premium, and elegant. We can do a lot of changes, whatever we require, um, on this design. But at the same time, let us have a look at what Bolt has created. So if we see for Bolt, let us see what it has created. Okay. So this is what Bolt has come up with, and if we go to the full screen, let us see what Bolt has created. Okay, so it has given some other name, home premium services, book premium, talk to a specialist. The home page looks good enough. The logos are good, which they have given. Also, this sleek animation that they have given is really nice. Oh wow. So again, further it has given before and after. Okay, so here you can add and attach an image. This service overview. This is what all services you are providing, the process. It is also given a FAQ questions. Wow, very nice, very nice. This is nicely done. Coming to the home page again. So okay, these are all the perfect launch services. Wow, actually I'm liking this more because over here it's much more detailed and process they've also given for all the different services that they're providing. Signature services: leak restoration, smart water system, high capacity heaters, then design fixtures. Okay. Oh wow, they have also given a plan. This is very nice. Enroll, if I go to enroll in premium plan, is it allowing me? No. We okay, so we have to connect a database and then it should work fine. If I click on book premium services, no, this button is not working. Oh, it is. And I can again put my name and some email ID, some phone number. Wow, this is much more detailed. Leak restoration, priority, and then send. Okay, perfect. @gmail.com and then submit. Wow, perfect. So this looks, I think this looks much more elegant. Oh, it is also giving option to connect on WhatsApp. So as you guys saw that, how easy it is to create a fully functional website both on Lovable as well as Bold. You can somebody might like Bold, somebody might like Lovable, but the point is that AI can create really stunning website um, with either of the platforms you use, right?
So अभी हमने जो वेबसाइट देखा on Lovable, what is actually happening in the backend is AI is actually going to lots and lots of landing pages, और वो वहाँ जाकर के वो pattern study कर रहा है that why somebody is clicking on something, right, or why they are staying longer on the website. It is studying that entire pattern, and that's how these all platforms like Lovable, Bolt, or Wix ADI is another one, which are getting trained on AI. Now the best part is when we are giving them a problem statement, right? It is not just taking that problem statement and creating a website. No, it is taking that problem statement, going to its knowledge base, वहां से वो अंडरस्टैंड कर रहा है कि भाई मेरा जो नॉलेज बेस है उसमें लेट्स से प्लम्बर का मुझे एक वेबसाइट बनाना है, तो उसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें मुझे इंक्लूड करनी है, क्या क्या चीज़ें वर्कआउट कर रही है, राइट, एंड देन बेसिस ऑन दैट इट इज एक्चुअली डिजाइनिंग द एंटायर website, which will definitely work because we all saw that how clean and how professional it is, right. Whereas in अभी भी अगर हम वो पुराने तरीकों से अगर हम वेबसाइट बना रहे हैं, राइट, सो इट, I mean, you can see it for yourself, right? कि किस तरीके. So I think I still remember a couple of months when I was trying it for the first time. Um, uh, Before, usually it used to take me like 2 weeks to come up with some draft and show it to the client. And then we used to do revisions and multiple things which we all are aware of. But I still remember that when I was trying it for the first time. So the first draft came in just like 2 hours, right? And when I showed it to the client, he was like, "Bro, did you had this already in place?" And I was like, "No, dude, this was all done by AI." So yeah, that was a moment which I still remember from the first time when I was trying this out. So here is what AI can't do. अभी भी AI जो है वो ह्यूमन के बिहेवियर को समझने में it's still learning, right? So we have a added advantage over there because AI is not able to understand what is the emotion behind a brand, or what is the story behind a brand, what is their purpose, and then all those factors which make us a human. So those all things are still left with AI. So I think we have a strong advantage over here as compared to AI. So does that mean that AI is replacing website developers or the technologists who are out there? Not at all. People who are evolving with this new technology, which is at most important, which is AI, they are not at all getting replaced. Whereas in people who are just thinking that uh, uh, AI is just another wave, will definitely have a big backlash. We all saw that, right? Adding to that point, I think for freelancers who are just thinking, it's about delivery, not about the transformation, please check for yourself. It is a very high time that we all, go back to drawing board and reevaluate ourselves. So, guys, if you want to learn how I use AI to build my websites that not just sells, but it also takes a lot of your workload and are loved by clients, so please comment AI Builder in the comment section. I'll try and come up with the next video, which would be around, what are the processes that I follow before building a website, which would be definitely, how to write a prompt, what all platforms to use, how to do a research, and then how to feed this entire knowledge base to a platform like Lovable, so that you get the most stunning response, which can be loved by client in the first go. So I think that was all I wanted to share in this video. And definitely I'm looking forward to see you all in the next one. Till then, thanks a lot.